Hello everyone, welcome back to another FSD Beta video. We are still on FSD 11.3.6. Currently we are doing a little bit of a highway test along with city streets maneuvers. This is around the 17-kilometer drive, so it's going to be a little bit of a long one, so I'll only tune in when it is required. Very late on this left turn over here. Wow, I'm not really sure what is going on, so I'm going to disengage and go through here. That was a very odd one. Even our FSD Beta not going on the right turn, on the left turning lane and turning right for some reason. So yeah, I'm just reported that one. That was a weird one. I've never experienced that. Actually, I've seen that only in like previous builds of version 10. Picking the right lane over here, that's correct. So yeah. Hope you folks like this video. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of FSD Beta videos. I'm based out of Calgary, Alberta in Canada. So I do a lot of snow driving as well with the FSD. So please go ahead and explore my other videos on my channel and have a look and see if you like any of them. So, well, this drive is, I think, is around... It's almost going up north, so there is a section that is a highway section. That'll be interesting to see how FSD Beta on highway is going to perform. And then there's another section that is also straightaway, another few kilometers of straight road. So I'll only be chiming in on lane changes and stuff like that. So we are on average. I want to try and keep it on average for now. And I'll keep minimal lane changes disabled. And yeah, hope you folks like this drive and enjoy the video. So we are coming up to a fork in the road over here. Let's see how FSD is going to handle this. Very smooth, not even a slight braking situation over here. Awesome. So we are coming into a ramp into the highway right now. A slight brake over there that kind of confused the car behind me. And got my foot hovering over the gas pedal just in case. Now it's going to have to find a way to merge into the left lane over here. So, and here we have our first intervention. The speed kind of bumped down to 50, which is incorrect. So I am going to manually increase it. And now we are coming up to our lane ending over there. So this is going to be probably another intervention over here. Let's see how long it's going to take for it to realize the lane's ending and wants to change lanes over here. Yeah, so here we go. We got a signal, but not enough, so I am going to manually do this. Lane ending, FSD Beta did not merge to the other lane. There we go. Another disengagement. Or our first disengagement, I guess. Indicating on the ramp that it's a 50-kilometer speed zone over here, but we are still driving on 80. It did not slow down, thankfully, because we don't really need to do that. Funnily enough, they didn't read that 70-kilometer speed zone due to construction over there. Now cars are driving around 80 and plus, so I'm not really too bothered for it. So it's changing lanes right now, and then it's a kind of a false indicator. It did it for a few seconds and then stopped. Not really sure if it figured out there's no cars merging from the right hand side, but I would rather be on the second lane, to be honest. Here we go, it's doing it again. Changing lanes to follow route, and it's actually following through with that signal this time. So it does pick up that the ramp is 50 kilometers per hour, and then coming up to this bridge over here, it does not detect the 60 kilometer speed zone, so I am going to manually bump it down to 70 over here. Interesting choice on changing lanes over here. I don't think technically you need to do that unless it's going through another, I guess it is going through another route. Oh yeah, that is the correct way. Alright, I'm going to increase the speed just a little bit because there is a car behind me, and I'll take that as an intervention as well. Okay, coming up to this loop over here. Normally does this very well. Just gets a little bit confused and a little bit too slow for other traffic's liking, to be honest. And a nice speed up over here. That's very well, nicely welcomed. So now it should slow down to a 50 kilometer speed zone. And there we go. Ideally, it should get out of this passing lane over here. A little bit of a slowdown here. I wasn't really sure about that pedestrian crossing lights over there. It kind of highlighted in blue. I've seen it on the visualization. Harsh brake over there, a little bit of phantom braking. I haven't really seen anything out of the ordinary, but I haven't really tapped on the accelerator since there's no cars really tailgating me. And we're coming up to a 60 right now, and it does detect that very nicely, and we're bumping up the speed. Does slow down just quite a little bit, just to regain some visibility, I guess, from parked cars. Nothing serious. Should be coming up here to a left turn. Nicely done. And then a right turn coming up over here. Just trying to check for visibility there. And we've arrived at our destination. Nice. So yeah, not a very eventful drive, but goes to show you how smooth FSD Beta in some situations are. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.